When I called the BuildX team, I got results that day. I would never expect that of any construction company, period. Dave Johnson, I live in Carver. I've lived here 38 years with my wife. We've raised our kids and our grandkids here. And then we had a tree fall in our house 7 months ago, and BuildX came and fixed it. And now I'm living back in my house. It was about 1:30 in the morning. The crash made me figure it out. We got up, there was water everywhere because it was pouring out. The ceiling had caved in from the reaction of the tree. The tree never hit the ceiling, but it just fell apart. Everything just fell apart. Just water everywhere. Downstairs was the same condition. Our master bedroom, same condition, water just pouring through. Oh, then there was this branch sticking through the kitchen ceiling right there. Every ceiling was flooded. There were 9 rafters in the roof, gone. The rest of the tree ended up in the backyard. The only thing that saved the rest of the bathroom and the back porch was this frame around the skylights in the bathroom, snapped the tree and put it in the backyard. I called my insurance company and then I called 911 and they came down and they said that normally we'd take trees off the house, but this is too big. We've had trees fall every 2 or 3 years since we lived here. Like the fire station, the fire department said to me, it's Carver and you got a pine tree on your house. WTF am I gonna do? About 7 o'clock that morning, there was a guy standing out in front of my house, standing in front of a BuildX car. The rain had stopped and everything. By the time he got here, he was just leaning against his car. I saw a halo. First thing he said to me was, do you need some help? And I never felt so happy in my life. By 2:30 that afternoon, the tree was off of my house. My roof was weather tight and there were guys picking up branches in my front yard. I could never have done what he did in 2 months. And he did it in an afternoon. The next thing I know, he was fixing my house. The more I looked into what and who Buzz and BuildX was, the more comfortable I became with giving them control. I'm not a person who does that. My first meeting was with Buzz, and then he brought his team in here, and I felt like I was on HGTV for a couple of weeks. We went to Best Tile with Erin, and we picked out the tile for the bathroom floor, and she came with samples of everything, and everything worked out the way we expected it to. The ceilings all got painted, the walls all got painted. We even got the living room, because it's all one room here. We got all that done too. So I'm just totally satisfied with everything. Look around. These floors were redone. They look better than we put them in 20-something, almost 30 years ago. They're perfect. The roof is good. It's all in one piece. The siding's gorgeous. Everything came out as good as, if not better than we expected it to. Looks new to me, and I've been living here for a long time. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Nothing was promised me that didn't come through. Nothing was told to me that didn't happen. When someone was gonna be here, someone was here. There were days I had 3 or 4 different contractors out in my front yard. Every day I was told they were gonna be here, they were here. Everybody who came into my house was respectful, neat, clean. We didn't have any issues. You can't ask for anything other than that. You get good people, you keep them. And Buzz, everybody around him is good people, from what I've seen. Kevin would stop by on his way home. After he left the office, he'd stop here just to look and make sure everything was good. Between Kevin, Erin, Steve-O, everybody here came through respectful, caring about what we thought about things. No, it's beautiful. My wife and I are totally satisfied with everything that we did. If the tree hadn't fallen on our house, we'd never done this. And I've increased the value of this house. I don't even know how much. So yeah, it was all a good experience. I would recommend BuildX to anybody that needed somebody to help. They help, they fix it, they take care of it. And I'm sitting in a house I'm in love with. I feel like I moved. And I'm still here. It's great. I want to thank everybody at BuildX. They were awesome. Anybody that needs some help with their house should call BuildX, because they will help you and leave you feeling better than you started.